This Engineering is Elementary digital how-to will demonstrate the procedure for evaluating the presence of oil after students clean their oil spills in Lesson 4 of A Slick Solution, Cleaning an Oil Spill. After cleaning the oil in their model rivers in Parts 2 and 3 of Lesson 4, each student group will need the following materials to evaluate the presence of oil. 2 pieces of brown paper bag, one for each part of the lesson. Each piece should be cut in an approximately 3-inch by 7-inch rectangle. 1 oil evaluator tool, made out of 1 strip from a transparency of Oil Evaluator Template 4-12, attached to a craft stick using cellophane tape. And 4 copies of Oil Detection Sheet 4-11, 2 for each part of the lesson. To evaluate the success of an oil removal process, students should first press a piece of brown paper bag along the gravel at the waterline. They should examine the paper to see if there are any traces of oil on it. Next, they should fold along the dotted lines of 1 copy of the Oil Detection Sheet 4-11, with the printed side facing down, to make handles by which the paper can be held. They should then gently touch the printed grid to the surface of the water. Students should then carefully turn the sheet over and, for each square on the printed grid, identify the largest spot of oil and determine which circle on the Oil Evaluator tool it best fits. Students should then record their results in the corresponding boxes of a second, dry copy of the Oil Detection Sheet. To clean oily gravel, pour the used gravel into a colander and add a little dish soap. Mix with your hands so that all of the gravel is coated with soap. Rinse thoroughly, because any leftover soap will interfere with future use of the gravel.